Hi guys, and welcome to Total Technik. In today's video we are looking at the wheel nut caps, as you can see in on this particular car here. Things like the Audi S4 and various other Audis came with these from factory. However, they're often removed and lost along the way when you get your tyres changed. Tyre companies and places like that hate these things and they just kind of end up binning them, which is a shame. But as came from the factory, they should have looked something like this. So what you might do is you might take the centre cap off and go, how on earth am I going to remove these? That's not a standard size 17 socket to get those off, and that's because they are literally plastic caps. So if you look in your tool kit in your boot, you should find that it came with this. Again, it would have come with this from Audi factory, and this is the removal tool for these little plastic covers. So let's have a quick look at how this works. So as you can see, these kind of nut covers have got a slightly bigger head than they have the sides. They have like a little ridge around the outside, if that makes any sense. And the little tool has just got two little plastic barbs on the inside. So what you do is you slide it either side and it'll click in either side of the head on that. Then you just pull it forward like so, and that cap will come off like that. And that obviously gives you access to the wheel bolt. So it's as simple as that. The only one that's a little bit more complicated can be this one here. If you look at this one, it's a slightly different shape to the others. This one's round. This is because it's the cover for the locking wheel nut. So rather than the body of it being hexagonal, as you can see, the body of it's actually round. So it's a little bit harder to kind of get this tool to click into it. So the best way to do it is if you kind of push it in and then turn it to try and catch the corners. Because when you push this on, you're never going to be able to catch the flat edges. So what you want to do, if you turn it around a little bit, just so you can catch the corners, hopefully that makes sense. You can see that just about there, hopefully. Then you can just about catch it, and that allows you to remove that. But as you can see, that one's perfectly round, and that one's the hexagonal one, because that's your locking wheel nut right there, which is obviously perfectly round, and these are hexagonal. So that's the difference between them. So we'll give you the part numbers for all three of these. These might be useful for you, so we'll look at those next. So this is the removal tool. As you can see, a genuine Audi VW part number 35701244A for Alpha. So that's the removal tool. And this is the standard hexagonal cap. Again, you can see the Audi and VW logos in there. Part number 321601. 173A for Alpha again, and that's the standard hex cap. And finally the locking wheel nut cap, again as you can see, genuine part. This is 4F0601 173 Alpha. So that's the part number. So if for any reason yours have gone missing along the as the years have gone by, you can buy yourself a new set of these from Audi and get your car back to factory spec. But completely optional, bit of a silly optional extra. Some people, including myself, like to have this kind of stuff. And like you said, that this will be in your will have been. Hopefully, it might still be. Might be in the toolkit that was supplied with the car from new. So you want to get your car kind of as close back to factory spec as you can. These are a kind of a nice little silly optional extra to have. So best of luck with that. We'll see you on the next video.